Hi guys, and welcome into this new video. In this video I will show you 20 useful shortcuts for VS Code and for Windows in general. So let's get started. You can use Ctrl A to select all the text in a file. By selecting some text in a file, you can press Ctrl C to copy the text, and then you can go anywhere else on the file and you can press Ctrl V to paste the text. This is very basic. You can also press Ctrl X while something is selected to completely remove that selected text, and then you can press Ctrl V to paste that text anywhere else on the file. With Ctrl Z you can go back to the previous action that you made. So this is called undo, and the opposite of Ctrl Z is Ctrl Y. It's called redo, and is going to go into the latest action that you made on a file. With Ctrl S you can quickly save a file so that you will not lose any data. With Ctrl Tab on VS Code you can switch between tabs, so if you have multiple tabs open on the editor, with this shortcut you can quickly navigate through those tabs. You can use Ctrl F to quickly find anything in a file. Once this pop-up appears you can just type something and it will search for what you typed in the file. With Ctrl D you can quickly select a word in a file. Also, if you press Ctrl D multiple times, you will select all the instances of that word, and you can have multiple cursors so you can edit those words. Everyone knows that with Tab you can move the text on the right, but not everybody knows that with Shift Tab you can actually go on the left, so you can move the text on the left side. There's a quick shortcut in VS Code that lets you format the code whenever you want. All you have to do is just press Shift, Alt and F. If you keep pressing Alt and then press up arrow on your keyboard or down arrow with your keyboard, you can move the line you're selecting up or down on the file. Another thing you can do is use Shift, Alt, up or down to quickly duplicate the line you're on up or down, so you can duplicate multiple times a line. Sometimes in VS Code you want to close the sideboard that you have on the left. To quickly close that and open that, you can press Ctrl B. Another useful shortcut for Windows in general is to press Ctrl Backspace to delete the word that is behind your cursor. To delete the line your cursor is on, you can press Ctrl X. If you instead want to just select the line, you can press Ctrl L. And last one, you can quickly open any file in a project with Ctrl P. Once this pop-up appears, you can navigate with your arrows on your keyboard and then press enter to open the file. I hope that this was useful.